Ever wonder how monks can sit in complete silence for years, while most of us can't survive a 30-second elevator ride without checking our phones? They aren't superhuman. They just learned a biological cheat code that makes staring at a wall feel more exciting than scrolling TikTok. If you feel constantly unmotivated, you don't lack willpower. You need to treat your focus like a serious addiction. Today, I'm giving you a 3-step factory reset to cure it. Part 1. The problem, why you feel lazy. Chapter 1. The fried circuit. We think of dopamine as the feel-good chemical. Wrong. It's the wanting more chemical. In the wild, it kept us alive. But today, billion-dollar companies have hacked it. Apps, video games, and junk food are supernormal stimuli. You are carrying a digital drug dealer in your pocket. Imagine your brain stimulation has a volume knob. Normal life, like working or reading, is a pleasant volume 5. But when you pull out your phone, boom, volume 100. Your brain freaks out at the noise and turns down its own sensitivity to cope. The catastrophic result? When you finally put the phone away, your brain is still muted. Now, your important work doesn't feel like a volume 5 anymore. It feels like a 0. You aren't lazy. You are chemically numb. Part 2. The solution, the hard reset. Chapter 2. Neurochemical starvation. Trying to use moderation on an addiction is a trap. You need a hard reset. Here is the protocol. 24 hours. One single day. For 24 hours, cut all supernormal stimuli. No phone, no computer, no music, no junk food. You can do 3 things. Write, read, or walk. You will feel restless. You will feel like crawling out of your skin. Good. That pain is your brain healing. That boredom is your senses waking back up. When you starve yourself of cheap stimulation, everything else becomes stimulating. Suddenly, cleaning your room or writing an essay actually feels engaging. Part 3. The system, staying clean. Chapter 3. The dopamine workflow. You can't fast forever. You have to work and exist in a modern world. If you just go back to your old habits, you'll fry your brain again in 2 days. You need a defense protocol. The rule is simple. Earn your dopamine. Asterisk Phase 1. The fast. The first 4 to 8 hours of your day are sacred. No phone, no distractions. Just deep, focused work on your reset baseline. Phase 2. The feast. Only after the work is done do you open the gates. Scroll, game, watch movies. Because your brain isn't numb, the binge feels clean, no guilt, no anxiety. You earned a reward. Treat your life like a video game. You don't get the loot until you beat the boss. When you do this, something terrifying happens. You start lapping people who are smarter than you. While they're fighting the brain fog and the urge to scroll, you're operating in clear air. But there is one final trap. Dopamine gives you the energy to work, but it doesn't teach you how to work smart. You fix the engine, but you might still be driving with the brakes on. That's why I made this next video, breaking down 3 brain hacks medical students and fighter pilots used to learn 10 times faster. Click here so all that energy you just unlocked doesn't go to waste.